Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk,
hey girl, hey, it's Simone Love coming at you with another video, of course. And on today's video, I am going to be showing you how I style my faux locks. Before I decided to take them out, I wanted to show you guys how I style them in between. And yes, they look really crusty. This is just a quick little style that I did. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video. As you can see, I already have one of my styles up. I hope this helps if you're struggling on what to do with your faux locks. If they're getting pretty old and you're not really wanting to take them down just yet. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below. And until next time, of course, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Don't stop. stop.